Hey guys, in this video, I'll be going over what is creative writing. Creative writing focuses on elements that are different than formal writing and academic writing. That's like writing research papers or essays. Creative writing encompasses elements like character development, a narrative, plots, plot arcs, and other types of literary devices and writing elements. Stories are infused with imagination. This is Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful story, especially for beginners. If you're loving this content, don't forget to like and subscribe this video so I can keep pumping out these amazing videos. All right, let's continue the video. So here are some of the forms of creative writing. We have short stories, children books, plays, screenplays, poetry, creative nonfiction, memoirs, novels, and graphic novels. In a future video, I'll be diving deeper into each of these forms of creative writing. So here's the homework assignment for this video. Write a one-paragraph introduction to a story you want to write. Post it in the comments below and let's grow a story as a community. And I'll start it off with the first comment. This will help you give you a better idea of what kind of story you want to write, how you could make twists and turns in each of the stories. It'll just help you use what you like. Don't use what you want, Let's just start this and let's see where it goes. Here are a few tips for creative writing. Always be writing, always be reading, and please don't forget to embrace rewriting. Rewriting is key to writing a successful story. So to write a successful story, you really need to understand the elements of creative writing. And as I said earlier, you're going to infuse a story with imagination, so you're going to be using your mind and write what you feel in your heart, right? So when I'm writing my story, a lot of times I write for myself and I don't write for others because I want to tell a story that I want to tell. I want everybody to hear what I have to say. But remember, storytelling is like stealing parts of different stories that you've already heard without realizing that it's already been said, but it's never been said with your own words. So remember, for me, I'm going to talk about this a little later on, but character development for me is what makes a story successful when you're looking at storytelling, because a lot of people remember the characters more than they will the plot. Regardless, you still need a strong plot, but characters is extremely, extremely important. And I'll have a video at the very end that will show you or explain character development to successfully write a strong character. Hello there. So I have 2 kids books out of my 4 kids book series self-published on Amazon. If you want to check them out, the link will be in the description below. And if you have Kindle Unlimited, you get these books for free. So here's the question of the video. Why do you write? Let's comment your answer below and let's see why we all write. I started writing as an escape from reality to create my own world away from what's happening in my household at the time. And from there, I just grew into loving storytelling and story making that it became a passion. And this is why I write. So hopefully this video helped you understand what creative writing is and the different forms along with those 3 tips. Also, if you want, you can go check out some videos here. I'll have some storytelling ones that you can listen to my audiobooks, audio stories that I have here. Also, check out my video on character development. This will help you create a stronger character for your book, because remember, when you write, plots are very important, but character development for me is key because people remember characters more than they do remember plots. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you again. I am Justin Vandermark, and this is Creative Writing Lessons.